Hi friends, welcome back to my session. And in this session, we're going to discuss about why we are choosing cloud platform and how we are going to create accounts for creating our infrastructure on cloud. So everything we will discuss in detail in the session. Okay, fine. Just please have a look on this. In the earliest in the year of 2000, the cloud has been invented into the market. At the time, the AWS Amazon Web Service has a word of cloud has introduced in the year of 2002, but it is not evaluated that much at the time of 2002. Later, in the year of 2006, the AWS becomes the most popular and it has been evaluated itself. So in the earliest 2006, the first cloud technology has been initiated by the AWS, Amazon Web Service. Later, in the year of 2010, around that time, the Microsoft has started the cloud platform as well. At the time, they had started as Windows Azure in the year of 2010. Later, on the year of 2014, it has been evaluated as Microsoft Azure. It has been changed as name as Microsoft Azure, and it is evaluated in the year around 2014. And because of many advantages using cloud rather than on premises, the majority of companies preferred using the cloud computing. Why majority of the companies are showing interest towards the cloud? Because of the following reasons: security perspective, because of if we are going to create our infrastructure in the cloud platform, by default the cloud service providers will provide the security to the infrastructure, and it is the high level of security, and it is easy to maintain. Because of if I want to maintain the on premises environment, here I need to take care about everything: the hardware, the space, the uh, regular maintenance, everything need to take care by me. But coming to the cloud platform, whatever the things regarding the space, regarding the hardware, everything will be taken care by the cloud service provider. If any issues there, I will just log in a ticket to them. Based on my ticket, they will do needful to me, because of as we are paying to them for using their services. Because of that's why they are only taking care about that the things and economical as compared with the things which we need to procure the hardware, and which we need to maintain the space, and which we need to maintain the security, everything. Instead of doing that, if I create my infrastructure or the services on the cloud, it will be more economical. So that's why majority of the, because of economic is main, because of the companies, because of economical issues, they will prefer create the company services on cloud. VMs plays very critical role, because of whenever I have the requirement of VM, at the time I am going to create the virtual machine. Virtual machine is nothing but the server, and whenever I don't have the requirement, at the time I'm going to delete my server. Whatever the things which I have been used, I'm going to pay only for that. This is the value advantage for the cloud, because of companies are interested towards the cloud. And scalability, this plays very important role, because scalability is nothing but increasing of resources. Whenever I have the requirement, at the time I will be able to increase my resources up to how much extent I want. And whenever there is no requirement, at the time I am going to maintain my infrastructure with the minimal requirement. That is a beautiful thing which is available in the cloud. And here we have the two portals are there. The first one is Azure Cloud Portal, and the second one is Azure DevOps Portal. So whatever the services which I am going to create, I will be created in the portal.azure.com. And the things related to the Azure DevOps, I am going to maintain from the another portal, which is dev.azure.com. So how these portals will look like, I will go to show each and everything. Just please have a quick look on this. Okay, just type for accessing the cloud platform portal.azure.com. Simply it will be redirected like this. So if you have already created account in this, you just need to enter your email ID and password, means credentials. Otherwise, if you don't have any account with you, just click on create one. You will be redirected to create like this. Just how you will be able to create your email address, in the similar way you will be able to create. Suppose my thing dummy, I am entering my thing at the rate gmail.com. Next, my thing is already okay, it's already has been used. Get a new email address. So how the things will be done? Okay, just a moment. Create one. Okay, here get a new email ID. Okay, dummy dummy triple dummy double one double one at hotlook.com. Okay, is already in that. Okay, fine. I will try another name. Okay, I password is 123. So I will make some password. Okay, next. So I am selecting some dummy date of birth. So this is not the original thing. 99. Okay, next. So I just need to solve this puzzle. So in the similar way, match this angle. Okay, okay, submit. One done. I need to match this. Okay, I think. Okay, I need to match this angle. Okay, okay, submit. Three done. The verification has been successfully completed. Then we have seen that password 2 minutes before choosing hardness to go. Okay, I will do something password which is quite different. It will accept. Yes, I hope it will accept now. So done. Next. So next, submit. Okay, submit. Verification completed. Fine. Then where I will go? So in this way, we can be able to create the home page. So if I want to create any virtual machine, start. Okay. Here you have the Azure free trial offer is there. So you will get a $200 free towards Azure product. Okay, so upon the successfully completion of free trial, it will be charged, pay as you go. If you want to use, start free trial. So try Azure for free. Just click on here. So it will ask each and everything. So your email address, your phone number, your PAN ID, your address, everything you need to finish. So once upon the finish of these settings, you need to provide your credit card details or debit card details, and the 2 rupees will be cut from your account as a basic verification from your bank end. Once it has been successfully directed, then it will automatically redated towards your account only. It will be resent from the Azure to your account. But After the free tier usage, if you have created any resources, if you forget to delete, then the charges which has been imposed, which have whatever the invoice has been created, that amount will be automatically deducted from the credit card which you has been attached to this account. So make sure whenever you are working on the cloud as a for practical purpose, once your lab has been completed, do not forget remove all the resources which you had been created. Suppose if you forget to delete any resources, then automatically the charges will be more and it will be deducted from your account only. So make sure while you creating this account. Okay, so this is the way, this is the process for creating portal.azure cloud. Okay, I am just signing out because of as this is dummy, I don't want it right now. Okay, fine. Guys, I hope you guys at the same time we have the dev.azure.com as well. So for access the dev portal. So in the similar way how we are creating the Azure portal login, in the similar way we will go to create the DevOps for dev portal as well. Okay. Guys, hope you guys enjoy the session. We will meet up in the next session with the new topic. Signing off. Thank you for joining my session. Bye bye.